YouTube, welcome to how to SSH into your Raspberry Pi. So SSHing into your Raspberry Pi is basically going through the internet and connecting to your Raspberry Pi and going into the terminal and enter commands and all this sorts of stuff. This is especially useful if you don't have a monitor, keyboard, or mouse. So what you're going to do is, well, first off, your Raspberry Pi needs to be connected via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and it needs to have a power supply. That's all you need for this tutorial. So, on Windows, you're going to go to Command. You're going to type in ipconfig, look through this list of data and find default gateway, and look at the IP connected to it. You're going to go ahead and copy that. On Mac, you're going to go to System Preferences, Network, Advanced, TCP/IP, and look for router, and there's your IP of the router. You're going to take that and go web browser. You're going to type in the IP into the search bar. Well, the address bar. And it'll bring up this web page that's hosted on your router. And so, default username is mostly admin. If it's not that, then you're going to have to look it up for your type of modem or router. And then password, I already got it here, but it would be on your router somewhere. There would be a little text that will say unit pass, and that would be the password to this. You're going to go hit apply or log in, and this part will differ from router to router. So when it loads, you're going to look for LAN, which it might be different on our routers, but you want to look for client list. Once you click on that, you're going to find the list of clients that's connected to your router or modem. So you're going to look for Raspberry Pi. Unless you have changed the host name of your Raspberry Pi to something else, it will be that. We're going to go ahead and copy this IP. And then once you have that, you're going to go ahead. Windows, you'll have to download the software called Putty, or you might already have it. I'll leave a link to go and download it in the description. You're going to take this IP and paste it in here. And then you're going to hit open. You're going to type in your username and password, which I don't know. Oh, great. Let's go ahead and close this. I know it's a little buggy when you accidentally put in the wrong password, but paste in that and you're going to do the same thing. So the login is as Pi, password is Raspberry. Then you can type in commands, do whatever you like, install software. And yeah, as long as it has a power supply and is connected to the internet. But then on Mac, you would have to go ahead and you would have to install software for it, which I know there's some software on the App Store or Play Store. And then you're going to do the same thing. It might already ask you for the password and username of your Raspberry Pi, but otherwise, that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed.